Hello, everyone. This is Julie HR, and today is April 24th, 2025. I wanted to keep you posted as I have updated one of my listings entitled the Offboarding Checklist. It was once in a Word format, and now I placed it into a Excel and Google Doc format. And I've also added, please note that there are 50 plus action items that are listed that go into actually when an employee is let go or terminated that an HR professional needs to ensure takes place to ensure safety and security within the organization. So I'm just going to go through this and then we're going to take a look at the actual Excel document. Thank you for joining me today. There's just a little video. This is from Etsy. Just enlarged it. It's about 2 pages, but it's Excel and it's also in Google Sheets. Very easy to edit. You also know right here, there are drop-down options in the columns of area, owner, and there's also a status one to the right. And you are able to change those on a different tab, and you are also able to change the coloring, but we'll go into that in just a second. As mentioned, in Excel and Google Sheets, and right here I'm pointing out the columns. There's a checkbox, action item, area, owner, and status. So everyone's on the same page to ensure complete HR compliance during the time of a termination. This is the optional drop-down tab, and this is actually the second tab of the Excel sheet where there's area, owner, and status. And please note, you can actually go into this right here, this second tab, and change those up. But we'll look at that in a second. Easy to read and understand, and very easy to edit in Excel and Google Sheets. As mentioned, over 50 compliance items, and there's different areas like benefits, compensation, IT security, and we'll look at some of the items that are listed out. Not to mention, always take a look at my HR bundles. Don't reinvent the wheel. I've created it for you. You're looking for performance, templates, workplace safety. This right here is top notch manager toolkit bundle. The HR starter pack's amazing, and so is the HR bundle. These are top notch. They're in all different formats, and I'm an HR professional and previous executive, so you can count on me to give you nothing but the best. And there's just a little. Okay, so now that we've looked at the ad within my Etsy site on HR Education Edge, and there's a link within the YouTube video to purchase this and also check out my site. We are going to go right here. And here it is. It's the offboarding checklist right here. And put the employee name in. Is it voluntary or is it involuntary? Here's some checklists right here. Right here, you'll notice an area. I didn't color it. I just didn't because a lot of people have issues with colors and sometimes they don't want color. So I just figured I would not do one column colored. But you have human resources, and then you have information security, IT, legal, marketing, operations, right? You want to change those. As mentioned, we go to the optional drop downs right here. Let's just say, I'm just going to put the word example. So we go back to the main. You should now see the word example right there because I changed it right there. So it's very easy to change those up. Number one, just note how many there are and don't go past that. So if you need to, just let me know. Okay. Also, as you go into it, you're going to notice the owner, there's drop downs, and the status drop downs. Please note that an owner and status, these are color coded. Yes, they have been color coded. How did I color code them? Well, let me just show you. What I did, let's just say with owner, just say with this particular column, I go to home, I go to conditional formatting, I go to, let's say, go to manage rules, and you can see all the different rules. Like facilities is colored pink, marketing is colored orange, IT manager is colored blue. If you want to delete the rule, you can. If you want to edit the rule, you can. Let's just say we want to edit a rule. Let's just say we want to edit facilities. So we hit edit rule, right? We went to format only cells that contain the cell value is equal to facilities manager. So facilities manager is actually one of the drop downs. Let's say we wanted to format it, and we wanted to format it in a different color. We could. This is just going to be an example. We'll just go right here. Wait, hold on. Whoops. My bad. Let's just make it a little darker. Okay. We'll hit OK, and then OK, and then OK. And see, it's darker, and you hit OK. And then you could go down to facilities manager. There's only like right here, and see how dark I made it? That's how you do that. You have to go up into the home, and you go into the conditional formatting rules. If you need help, if you're looking at purchasing this, if you're looking at purchasing any of my templates, a lot of them do have drop downs. I can help you out. I'm always right back at you. You will notice I am the quickest responder back to anyone. I love to help HR professionals. I've been in your shoes. I've been a department of one. So let me help you should you need assistance. But please note that this offboarding checklist is great. Like here's some of the items. Let's say informed employee about retirement options, that's benefits, recover company-owned documents, software licenses, transfer or delegate remain, job duties and responsibilities. That's one thing that is not often done. Sometimes an employee leaves and there's not a knowledge transfer process that takes place. It needs to take place, especially if that employee gives you notice or if you've already got succession planning in place and you think this employee might be leaving. Regardless, back to this, ensuring that duties are transferred over is very important. So you have operations, you have legal, remove VPN, disable voicemail, disable email. There is a lot to go in. And just note that if an employee leaves and they have access, this is not good. This is not good for your company. Security, now more than ever, it has been reported that there are a lot of security breaches, and you as an HR department, you are the department that is going to get breached first. And that's just based on some reading I've done. So thank you so much. Please ensure to like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please check out all my videos. I'm going to start back up in May, and I'll be doing an HR news compliance monthly overview. I used to do a weekly overview, but it was a lot. But now that things are a little bit slowed down for me, I can start doing a Monday overview. So please come and join me. I would love to have you listen to me every week and get to know you better. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.